Hello and welcome to How To Automotive. Today I got a tip for you guys that are working on the BMW N54 motors. When you go to take the valve cover off, they have these little metal tube seals and they always bend and deform when you try to take them out, and you gotta replace them. You can't reuse them. I'm going to show you a little tip on how to get these out without mangling them so you can reuse them. So stay tuned for that. So I'm going to show you how to get these aluminum tube seals out without mangling them up. If you do mangle them up, they're only about $4 or $5 to replace them. So the way I do it is I use a 90-degree pick like this, and there's two little holes in the tube seal here. So you take one tube seal, put the pick tip right in the tip, and you flex the tube over, and you're going to stab the other hole like this. So I'm flexing it over, bending it in slightly, and I slide the pick through the hole and into the second hole, and then I twist it counterclockwise the opposite way. Then I give it a little wiggle and pull, and then the tube seal will come out, and it'll be in good shape to reuse it. If it's slightly deformed at the very tip, you can massage it back in place with your thumb. So I'll demonstrate this on another one. This one's a little harder to get to, so I'm doing it from the opposite side. I'm going from the left to the right, hooking it into the hole. And then once I got it hooked in there, I just give it a good wiggle and it'll pop right out. If you try to use screwdrivers or try to pry it out, you'll definitely bend it up and won't be able to reuse it. You'll have to order new ones. Like I said, they're only $4 or $5 a piece if you do mangle them. But if you don't have to spend the money, you don't have to spend the money. So I was able to get all 6 of them out without mangling them up. So hopefully this will help you guys out. I'm Brian Essick from How To Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching my videos, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this, and also to remind you that I will link up the pick tools that I use to get these off in the description of the video, so if you need those, you can find those there. Thank you again for watching.